After a dramatic win over the Falcons in Week 6, Cameron Wake and the Dolphins had their sights set on a third straight victory in a divisional showdown with the Jets.
It's that time. It's that time. I know one thing. They f***ed up when they got off that plane. They think they know what they about to get into? They have no idea. But they gonna learn today.
Play action fake. Count rolling to his right. Rolling! Got him! Wake got him! He tried to roll into his left, couldn't get there.
Oh, God, that was a good one.
3rd and 9 from the Miami 10. Count rolling to his right, still on his feet, fires, touchdown. It's now New York 28, Miami 14.
Oh, Lord. All right, now. Come on now. Come on now, we need to score.
How about this turnaround?
How about that? What a fourth quarter so far by this football team. The Dolphins entered the fourth down by 14 points. Scored twice. The Jets, they're not moving the football. This Dolphin defense is playing a spectacular football game. Looking downfield, throws it, and it's picked off! The Dolphins intercepted Bobby McCain!
Ice vein in the blood, ice water.
26 seconds left in this tied football game, making a 39-yard field goal.
Come on, Parky. They go, Parky, baby.
Snap holds down, kick is out, and the kick is good!
Can't believe this. What a comeback. What a comeback. This is missed by the Miami Dolphins.
Oh, we not at all, baby. Hey, we're not normal. We said it last time. Keep believing. What we say goes. Don't ever count us out.